Hi there, I'm going to take you through the process in this tutorial of installing a Python IDE or integrated development environment so that we can do the activities that follow. There's heaps of different IDEs that we can use. The one that we're interested in is one called Spider, and we'll install it now. There are quite a number of Python IDEs. We're interested in one that copes with large data and brings in some of the large data set libraries without us having to think too much about it. So the whole idea of this is to make it as simple as possible for us and for the students. There are two IDEs which we could use without too much drama. One is called WinPython and the other one is called Anaconda. So very quickly I'll take you to both of those. And of course Anaconda needs more information. So if I put Anaconda IDE, it will bring up this. It's a free download, as you can see, and it works quite well. The other one which we can look at is WinPython. I'll say WinPython download. Between the two of them, for the purposes of this, I'm going to choose the WinPython one. Either one is fine. And the program that I'm actually going to use is within both of them, and it's a IDE called Spider. So I'm going to go to the WinPython download page. Again, remember I could have gone just as easily to the Anaconda download page. And here under SourceForge, I just want to choose download. So I just click on download. It'll ask me where I want to download it to. And to be prepared, your download is going to take a little bit of time. So the teacher will need to think about this and perhaps talk to the network manager of the school, if you have one, to determine the best way to put this package onto each of the machines. So I'm just going to save that, and then when it's downloaded, I'll go ahead and show you what we need to do to get it operational. So the package is downloaded. Here it is here, WinPython 64, and I'm going to now double click on this. It'll unzip that package, and once it's unzipped, we'll be able to run the programs within it. So double click, it will ask me where I want to extract to. I'm happy for it to extract to the downloads. You may have a different location where you'd like to download it to for your school environment. Click on extract and it will start extracting those. When the program has finished unzipping, if I go into downloads, I'll find it. Here it is here, WPY64. I can open it up. Unlike some programs where you have install and that sort of thing, all of this stuff is sitting there ready to use. The only one that I want to use is the one called Spider, spelled with a Y. So I'm going to open that, and you'll see a little spider emblem come up. Now I want to just make sure that it works. I'm going to load in one of the programs that we'll be creating and just ensure that the program itself works. So I'm going to go File and Open, and then it'll ask me for a path. Now in this instance I have the file in Assessment Task, and I'm going to open Spider 3. And here it is. When I run the program, this program loads up and it gives me a bunch of information about some of the data out of the data set that we're working on. All I'm doing here is just ensuring that the Spider works on my computer after a new install, and I'm happy that it does. So in the next tutorial we'll go ahead and start creating some of these programs and looking at how they operate, and we'll also talk about where the programs should all be stored. Thanks for watching.